So these are the design procedure. These are some of the examples that I just showed to you. This is more like you do the concept sketching, you have the infotainment, you have your charging infrastructure, AC, battery casing and all. This is like a normal electrical diagram of how the components are attached to each other. Again, this is static, this is clay modeling, this is body in white, this is parametric modeling, this is more of an analysis that we do in ANSYS. Okay, if you want to differentiate between IC and EV, if you look into the systems, generally, in place of your fuel injection system engine, your battery, inverter, and motor are coming into the picture. In wheels, this differential braking, although braking is there in EV as well, but that will be transformed to regenerative braking, right? So whatever you see here as in fuel management is there in case of IC vehicle, that is being now transformed to battery and battery management system, fuel injection system, engine, and transmission, it being transformed formed to inverter and motor. So this is just an analogy of the IC and EV. As far as the manufacturing changes from IC to EV is considered, these are some of the share of powertrain cost that is going to be there. In case of IC powertrain, almost 30% was attributed to basic engine. Transmission would cost almost around 25% of the total cost. Control injection, auxiliary, exhaust, and all that. Right here, in case of battery electric vehicles, we are looking at a complete shift. Almost 70% of this is being utilized. This is just a estimated of EV penetration sourced from McKinsey, and you can see here two-wheeler and buses in Indian mobility ecosystem would be the highest, having the highest penetration. And largely, you must have seen that these last 2 months have been a very good time for electric vehicle sales, particularly in regions like Delhi. And tractors and this JCB and this heavy earth mover trucks will take a little bit time to penetrate into the market. EV sales are also, as far as the component of EVs are considered, there will be a lot of demand moving forward in case of batteries, electric motors, power electronics, thermal management, lightweight substitute. There are very high thrust on making EVs which are lightweight, and in that case maybe material which can substitute your carbon fiber and all will come into the picture quite a lot.